In Ụzọakụ Village, when a family gives out their daughter, the whole community celebrates. But on this day, the celebration would not finish the way it started.
Ladies and gentlemen, we present to you the most beautiful bride in the world.
Your mother and I are proud of you. Go and find your husband.
Chukwu! Our enemies are at work. Our village people have finally shown us. They have used our daughter's wedding to disgrace us before the whole community.
I have never taken what does not belong to me. I have walked with clean hands all my life. Why this insult? Why this embarrassment? Why today? Why my daughter? Why my house?
My love, what is going to happen now? What do we do?
Tomorrow morning, I am going to consult the elders. We need to find a solution to this before people start spreading bad rumors about this family. And this cannot continue. We still have 2 more daughters. God of our land, have I ever offended you? Have I done anything that is not pleasing to you? What is the meaning of this? If this kind of thing follows this family, God forbid, no. Only God knows how my daughter and her husband will be feeling now. Chukwu Olisa Biko,